Beauty should never come at the cost of health. We deserve safer products. Today, I want to talk to you about something which we all use every day but don't think too much about it: cosmetics and beauty products. These include makeup, color cosmetics, anti aging creams, lotions, skin lightening agents, perfumes, hair care products, and deodorants. Many of these products contain chemicals that quietly harm our health, especially as women. It has been found that some ingredients in these products can impact our hormones. As you are aware, hormones are responsible for many functions in our body. In women, menstrual cycle, ovulation, even chances of getting pregnant. Chemicals like phthalates and parabens, which are often found in creams, lotions, shampoos, dyes, etc., can act like fake hormones. And when they are in our body, they can behave like our real hormones and can lead to many serious issues which are dependent on hormones of our body, like PCOS and endometriosis. These chemicals can also affect fertility. They have been linked to poor egg quality, reduced ovarian reserve, chances of ovulation, and thus can reduce the chances for a woman to get pregnant. Even women who are not planning pregnancy should be aware of these facts because the effect of these chemicals can accumulate over time and can have a cumulative effect. In pregnancy, these substances can get transferred through the placenta into the fetus, and so the next generation is likely to be born pre-polluted with these extremely harmful endocrine disruptors. And there is another serious concern: cancers. Some ingredients like formaldehyde, which is present in hair straightener, or coal tar, which is found in some hair dyes, has been linked to increased risk of breast cancer and some other types of cancer in women. Now, I'm not saying that we should stop using any products. What I'm saying is we can make smart choices, choose products which are phthalate free, paraben free, choose brands which are honest, ethical about how they produce their products and are clear about what are the various ingredients in there. But the bottom line is that one should go minimalistic on use of cosmetics and beauty products. That would be my single message to all the young girls out there, that is to go as minimal as possible for these products. Thank you for listening and for taking care of your health and that of the next generation.